You thought you had more time. More time to fix it. More time to become who you said you would. Careers collapse. Marriages end. Plans broke. The clock didn't pause. You tried. You failed. Now you think you're finished. You are not the first man to fall. Even the mightiest have crumbled and stood again, and men have risen from worse than this. It is looking at the wreckage and calling it what it is. You face your failure. You do not worship it. Your past is not chains around your neck. It's weight on the bar. Heavy, yes, but meant to be lifted. You don't need a new life. You need a steady one. You don't rebuild a life with grand gestures. You rebuild it with one hard step, then another. Not perfection, just the next honest step. Today is the only court you walk into. The test repeats, but now so does your answer. Stand. The world is the same. The man walking out is not. If you're rebuilding, subscribe to Inner Frame. What has life tested you with? Put it in the comments. Say it plainly. Own it.